For watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Don't forget to click the bell if you like the video.
So I'm on my way to pick up my friend Rajesh Jampala and then go to Lake Lanier to just walk around the lake, okay? I got a lot of messages saying that you are so lucky, you are in Atlanta, you are in Georgia, you have a lot of things you can do. You can go kayaking, you go hiking, you have hills and everything. But I can tell you one thing, we are all lucky. It's not only me. We are all lucky because we are on this Mother Earth, which is taking care of us. If you see in the whole universe, we are not yet found a single place where humans can survive. So we are in the best place in the universe as far as we know. So enjoy every place wherever you are. There are definitely places where you can explore. You can go out in your own city.
Right, ready to go?
Ready to go. We have my friend Rajesh joining us.
Hi.
Hi Rajesh. Let's go. Yeah, we are nearing Lake Lanier. See here, Lake Lanier Beaufort Dam. We are on the dam actually. We are just entering the dam right now. There you have the lake. The beautiful lake. The beauty of this lake is this is a man-made lake. So there was no lake before. So they took some land and then they made this. This is an artificial lake, man-made lake. We are at Lake Lanier. We'll be walking, I think it's around 5 miles. So we'll just walk around the lake. It's not a big hike. We are not going any elevation or anything, but we'll be just walking around the lake. And here we have Rajesh. So we are waiting for some of our friends to join us. So once they join, we'll be going on. We'll just have a walk. Rajesh, we just want to go there. We'll just go there before our other team members come.
This is called the Lower Overlook. There's a bunch of parking spots. This is one of the best spots to park. There's down the road, as we saw, there is a place where you can do camping, which is on the other side of the lake. So this is a good place. Like we go down to the dam, towards the dam, close to the dam, and then just loop around, and there's a bunch of picnic spots on the way, in the paths.
So how much is this, Jampala? How much is this? Like 5 miles?
4 miles.
4 miles, okay.
4 miles, it's a loop. We start here and then just come back here. So that's a 4-mile loop.
So it's a nice one for beginners, who doesn't want to go on the hills, or if you don't want, you can just walk for 4 miles. Nice walk around the lake, fresh air. All right, we are just going to see the lake.
Water level seems pretty high.
Yeah, it is. We had a lot of rain a couple of weeks, so I think the lake is full. It's a beautiful sit-out area. Here is the lake. Wow. This is a small island. I've been there doing one time with a kayak. It's a small island. like a circle. Beautiful place. The breeze is good. You can see the waves. You can see the waves. So you can see that there are a lot of breeze here. Beautiful. Okay, we are starting the trail. I think the weather is suddenly become cold and people did not wake up, did not come. But I and Rajesh will be going around the lake and we'll show you what it is. Okay.
All right, let's join our journey.
Yeah, the top of the road, that's where we came on the top of the road. We parked our car there and then we started walking. See, we both are walking.
Towards the dam.
We are going towards the dam. See the river here. See, this is the river. We'll go there as well, but that's the river. This is where I do kayaking, but not today. We are going towards the dam. There's a bridge there, and on the bridge you can see. So this is the Chattahoochee River.
There it is. That's where the dam, the gorge is. It's the water on the lake, on the other side of the lake, just reaches over. So you see the power station in the top, and we're gonna go to that bridge. Just gonna actually see where the water is being released.
See the river. It's in full flow.
Getting closer. This is the gap. This is where the water is flowing through, coming from the dam. So we saw it on the top view from a while back. Let's come to the left. You can see the actual dam where they can release the water. There you go. From this corner you get a better view. That's the dam. This pathway just takes you towards. Yeah, this pathway takes you towards a picnic spot. It's water is pretty cold, so I think people are planning different spots. You see those animals on top of the.
Yeah, there's a goat, I think.
Yeah,
What's that?
looks like goat.
Yeah, 2 goats. So good. All right, see, this is the back. Nice breeze and having a lot of fun. It's so good to be beside the river with the breeze. So nice. Get away from your computers, get away from your mobile phones, spend time with the nature. You know what you are getting.